that screen for me on your way out.
We're going to go through a big problem when we catch them. And we have a lot of cameras up. We already know who some of them are. We're going to catch them. And they're bad guys.
I'm gonna just go ahead and put all this in there.
And let me tell you, you do it to Tesla and you do it to any company. We're going to catch you and you're gonna go through hell.
Go through here. You know? I play with Trump. Trump don't play that shit. Trump, I'm a shot at.
They can't believe it. So Margo, wherever you are,
Trump ain't got time to play.
She's going to use it. They're all going to be using it. And they're going to have a good time using it. Oh, there you are, Margo. Look at Margo's right there. What do you remember the press now? She's become a member of the press. Takes great pictures. What do you think of it, Margo? Do you like the idea? Very happy.
Mr. President, your comments the other day not ruling out a potential recession seem to rattle stock markets. The Commerce Secretary said there may be one.
Just so you know,
To think there will be a recession.
I don't see it at all. I think this country's going to boom. But as I said, I can do it the easy way or the hard way. The hard way to do it is exactly what I'm doing, but the results are going to be 20 times greater.
Tell me that.
If you look at what I've said over the last 10 years, Trump has been right in all time. This is the way to do it. We're going to make America great again. You know, to make it great, you have to have jobs, you have to have factories. Now look at some of the things that, like this last administration.
You also got to make sure your police ain't goddamn killing your citizens.
Nothing was happening. Nothing. He had no idea what was going on. Our country went to hell. And then to allow millions of people to come in that are prisoners and mental institution patients, all of the things that gang members, drug lords, we're searching them all down now, trying to get them out of our country. And we're going to do that. Our country will be greater than ever before, and it won't take too long.
And what's your message to Americans right now, sir, who are worried about the stock market?
Let's go see this, sir.
This is Bloomberg.
Look, in terms of imagination, I think I have a great imagination. Who else but this guy would design this, and everybody on the road is looking at it? It's amazing, actually. As soon as I saw it, I said, that is the coolest design. Did you agree with that, Brian?
I do.
It's amazing.
That's right, that part, right?
What's the future?
Trump something else, man. Trump dance on something else.
It's really amazing.
Elon, are you planning to remain CEO of Tesla while working with President Trump? Is there any thinking of your future at the company?
Let's see Tesla. Any more plans on additional vehicles?
I love me some fucking Elon. Yeah?
They're steering wheel. You gotta buy one of those.
Elon is funny as a dude.
Look at the market selling off. That didn't concern you, too. You're gonna make great deals by buying stocks and bonds and all the things they're buying. I think we're gonna have an economy that's a real economy, not a fake economy. It's a fake economy. They were putting in all government jobs. You see what happened last month? We had more real jobs, and government jobs are way down. That's going to continue. Those are real jobs. Those are jobs that keep the country going. You can't have all government jobs. You have no income to pay the workers. And a lot of those workers didn't show up to work. That was the other problem.
And President Trump, there's this protest leader from Columbia University that the administration is moving to support. He said that the rest is going to be dispersed to Maddie.
I think we got to get them all out of the country. They're troublemakers. They're agitators. They don't love our country. We ought to get them the hell out. I think that
they don't love our country.
I heard the statements too. They were plenty bad. And I think we ought to get them.
What's going on, y'all, boy? Please double tap that screen for me.
Specifically, I watch tapes. And you can have them. Okay? You can have them. And you can have the rest of them. Let them go to school. Let them learn. Columbia used to be a good school. Now it's been overrun because of bad leadership. That's what happens. Happens to countries, and it happens to universities, and it happens to companies. And I don't want it to happen to a guy that did nothing wrong. He did everything right because he did a great company. But what he did by coming into government to help government
yeah, please double tap
from
that screen.
years of abuse, from decades of abuse. And you see that when you look at Social Security, where you have 200-year-old people on the rolls of people don't care. Everyone knows that.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
It's also large fraud. I think it's that. But I think it's
Appreciate
also large fraud. I'm just telling people, this man is a great patriot, and you should cherish him. You should cherish him. You know, I have a little statement. We have to take care of our high IQ people. because we don't have too many of them.
Mr.
And we
President,
gotta take care of them.
Security administration, and you guys are looking for broad